Hey, good afternoon. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's such a pleasant day. It's really awesome to be here. It's really awesome to be speaking to you. And today I'm going to tell some really crazy alpha, which you haven't been heard anywhere. It's like AI agents interacting with each other. They are interacting with each other. There's a bot called Moltbot. There is a AI agent called Claude, CLAWD. And there is one more AI agent called Ember. Ember is at 300K market cap. Claude is around like 15 million market cap, and Molt is around 50 million market cap. So the craziest thing is like AI agents, they are creating a language which humans cannot interact, and they are creating ideas among themselves, and they are doing wonders. So it's like watching a sci-fi movie where so many crazy things are happening. So even though Bitcoin is literally plummeting, and as I have said in the previous video, like it is actually the start of the bear market, in my opinion, where a huge crash is expected to come. But in such markets, the real gains you can make where actually the money flows, and where actually some new technologies actually emerging out in the form of agents, which are using this X402 payment gateway, plus they are like ERC8004 tokens. And so that is for the alpha for today. And the Ember bot, it even creates a smart contracts. The Claude, this Claude is actually has given emerged has given birth to this Ember bot, and EMBER or EMBER. So yeah. And they have staking system. They have when you're staking, you have actually the reward systems also, like the fees is which is generated is going to the stakers. So really amazing features. So that's it for the agents today, and that's it for the crypto sector. And regarding health, I'll give you some really amazing naturally occurring garlic cloves. Garlic, as you all know, it's very famous for lowering blood pressure, and it is also said like it is also a help for erectile dysfunction, also for boosting up immunity. But the garlic, it is absorbed when it is in combination with it is highly absorbed when it is combination with pepper. As we all know, like pepper and turmeric combination, but the black pepper along with the garlic has seriously some amazing features, amazing health benefits. So, and when you are actually using the garlic as well, it has to be chopped, left it for 10 minutes. Then either you can make a drink, mix it with honey and black pepper and other things, lemon, to make it a drink, or after 10 minutes, because the active ingredient, it gets settled down, and then you can just in mild roast, you can roast in olive oil along with the black pepper, and you can, or when after you have cooked the meal, you can in the last 5 minutes of the meal, you can just after you cut the garlic, you can add after 10 minutes, you can add this garlic along with pepper to the meal, to have this active potent ingredient, because the fresh garlic has this ingredient, but most of the ingredients are lost in the powder form, or if it is in storage form. And regarding the relationships, what I can say is like Relationships is one of the most blessed thing by the Lord, by the Almighty, because to live a life single, it's very difficult. But it's you can live, you can build yourself during that time. You can have focus on your growth, and of course, the opposite partner. Usually, the people get attracted to those people who actually believe in themselves and take care of themselves, have a good self-image, have a strong personality, and it also works for people who are living together, who are into relationships, have their own space and boundaries. So that's it for today. I hope this was really crazy alpha, and I hope you're enjoying the view. Cheers, peace.